Yo guys, we're gonna do a food review, except this time it's a viral food review. So that means this video should get twice as many views. So today I have some pickle juice, alright? Now I know you're thinking, you're gonna put a pickle in it and eat it. No sillies, I'm gonna get an Oreo, dip it in the pickle juice, and try it because apparently it's really good. Alright, be right back. Do we even have any Oreos?
Oh, right there.
Where? Where's the Oreos? Oh. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have the Oreos now. We're going to keep that edited because I don't fake my content. Here's the Oreo. Going in. We're going to flip that over.
Yeah, lather it.
I did.
Lather.
I lathered it.
Lather.
That's my stupid brother, if you can hear. So we're going to try it now. Like, don't use that as a broth. Honestly, there's really no difference. The Oreo tastes like mint. Would I recommend it if you want to burn your fucking house down? Okay, guys, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.